Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in. This is essential because iCloud Sync ties to that account. Once done, make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and plug the device in if battery is low, since large syncs pause on low power. Now open Settings and tap your name, then select iCloud. You're taking the first actionable steps to view what's set to sync and to prepare the device so sync can run uninterrupted. Next, you'll inspect each app's sync toggle to understand what's actively syncing. Tap each section, iCloud Drive, Photos, Contacts, Calendars, and Backups, and make deliberate changes. If an item looks stuck, toggle it off, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on to force a resync. This refresh can kickstart stalled uploads or downloads. Also, scroll to iCloud Backup to confirm automatic backups are enabled, because backups help preserve sync data across devices. To finish, verify sync status. Look for progress indicators in each app and confirm your iCloud and device storage aren't full, because no space prevents syncing. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This refresh can solve account errors, but expect a full resync which may take time. If that fails, restart the device and check Apple's system status for iCloud outages. If services are down, you'll simply need to wait until Apple restores sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.